Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss a question from the topic permutations. Here question is prove that 12p7 is divisible by 12p4. For solving this question we must know a formula that npr is equal to n factorial by n minus r whole factorial. So we have discussed this formula in the beginning of this chapter permutations while we were discussing introduction about permutations. So we have already discussed another form of this formula, that is npr is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 up to n minus r plus 1. Okay, total number of factors will be r here. This is first factor, this is second factor, this is third factor, this is rth factor. So wherever it will be required, you can use this formula also. So here if you use this formula, it will be convenient to solve this problem. So you see here 12p7 with the help of this formula can be written as r is here, so total number of factors is r. 7 is here, so total number of factors will be 7, starting from n, here starting from 12. So this is 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into one more factor we are supposed to write into 6, because last factor is n minus r plus 1. So 12 minus 7 plus 1. 12 minus 7 is 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay. And this 12p4 can be written as 12 into 11 into, so how many factors will be here? In total there will be 4 factors. And the last factor will be 12 minus 4 plus 1. 12 minus 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. So last factor will be 9 and total number of factors will be 4. We are discussing this thing with the help of this formula. We are deciding with the help of this formula. Okay. So 12 into 11 into 10 into 9. These 4 factors will be here. Here r factor, here 4 factor. As I told you that the last factor will be 12 minus 4 plus 1. So 12 minus 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Here we have to prove that 12p7 is divisible by 12p4. This is very obvious. 12p7 are having factors from 12 to 6 and in 12p4 we are factors from 12 to 9. So very obviously 12p4 can divide 12p7 because these 12, 11, 10 and 9 factors will be cancelled out, 12, 11, 10 and 9, and after division we will get the result that will have the factors 8 into 7 into 6. So obviously here 12p7 is divisible by 12p4 because 12p4 is consisting all the factors of 12p7. Okay, clearly 12p7 are having these 7 factors, 12p4 is these 4 factors. So these 4 factors can divide these 7 factors, means 12p7. Okay, so now we proved this question. Okay, understood? So very simple problem. Okay, now we'll see some more problems in other videos. Thank you very much for watching these videos.